What is the process to activate my Bank of America debit card?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be walking through the process of activating your Bank of America debit card. If you've recently received a new or replacement card, follow these steps to get it up and running.
What do you need before activating?
Before beginning the activation process, ensure you have the following: your new Bank of America debit card, the phone number associated with your bank account, personal identification, such as your social security number or tax ID number.
Activating via phone.
1. Call the activation number located on the sticker of your new card. If there's no sticker or you've misplaced the number, you can also call Bank of America's General Customer Service number. 2. Follow the automated prompts. 3. Provide the necessary personal identification details when prompted. 4. Once the system confirms activation, remove the sticker and sign the back of your card.
Activating online.
1. Log in to your Bank of America online banking account. 2. Navigate to the Manage Accounts or similar section. 3. Find the Activate Card option and select it. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and input any required information. 5. Upon successful activation, you'll receive a confirmation.
Activating via mobile app.
1. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your device. 2. Sign in using your online banking credentials. 3. Look for a Manage Cards or Activate Card option in the app's menu or dashboard. 4. Follow the prompts and provide any necessary details. 5. You'll receive a confirmation once your card is activated. And there you have it. Those are the primary ways you can activate your Bank of America debit card. Always remember to keep your card and personal details safe. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now all set to use your card. Happy spending, and thanks for tuning in.